What's up, guys? Yeah, it's me again. I decided to make another interesting, juicy video for you where I can share you some nice insights and regarding how to snipe, similar collections. Of course, it makes sense after reveal, so volume is very high, and then you will snipe rare ones for a cheap price because some people just sell their NFTs and they don't have a clue maybe that their NFT is pretty much valuable, right? And they just sell it for floor price. And a lot of whales, guys who know what they do, they snipe this NFT and just sell it immediately for much higher price, or they keep holding them and watch the market maybe sell them in a few days if price really skyrocket or not, right? Uh, but the main thing is how to make it happen that you snipe rare ones, and I will show you some free tools, but also one paid tool, uh, but with a very awesome price in if you compare it to other tools which are really expensive, right? So let me show you with this collection here, Skeleton guys, an example, right? So you want always, of course, go to activity and then click on listings, and then you see uh, immediately the listings, right? And you need to be very fast with OpenSea, because if you go to items, um, OpenSea show the items here with a big delay. The other thing, of course, you need to see what kind of rankings there are in regarding rarity. So the first thing what I can recommend you for free is a rarity tool. Let me enable this tool here. So boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so let me enable this guy here, and then if I refresh, right? Then you have here the rarity. So rank, you see here different ranks, etc. And the thing is, this tool is for free, right? The problem is, it is still very good, but the problem is if you want to snipe it really quick, yeah, let's say we are here on listings, right? And then you have this kind of situation, right? Let's you need to take a look on the listings, and then you need to be very fast. So you need to understand, if you see a rank, let's say for 300 at floor price, then you need to buy it very fast, because you need to understand you're not the only one who want to buy this kind of rarity NFT. So there are people, they are competing with you, right? And there are also people which have specific tools, bots, which immediately react and immediately buy this. So you want at least have the possibility to click on this button to buy quick button. If you don't have the possibility, let's say this here, it's let's say it's rank 200 and it is floor price, and I won't buy this, right? I need first click on this thing, then I need to click on buy now. I have to click on buy now, then I'm waiting, then I need to click this thing, etc. Blah blah. Now I add funds. I have not enough funds right now, by the way. But if I have enough funds, then I click confirm. Then OpenSea asks me another bullshit like this is not a verified collection, la la la. And then I finally go to my MetaMask wallet, and then I need to confirm. And before I do this all crap, some other guy with a paid version, they click just on quick buy, and immediately a MetaMask pops up immediately without all this crap, which costs you some seconds, right? And you can buy it immediately. With this thing, it's a paid version, right? So with Trade Sniper, it's pretty nice to have it, to see the rank, but if you want some extras, you need to pay for it. And what you need to pay for this? Let me explain. They ask for 1 month, for 1 month, they, they ask, right? 0.65 ETH, right? So they ask more than $1,000 for a month, Okay, you can make it just a subscription for 1 week, 0.2, right? So that's crazy, very expensive, and people still buy it because it is profitable for them. So people who have this money, they buy it. But in my opinion, too expensive. At least they have a free version, so you're free to use it, right? Um, and you can at least see the rankings immediately, right? That's also very nice. Then we have another expensive version, which is NFT nerds, right? So they have all these options where you can snipe different NFTs pretty quick, and they have some things like bots who will buy at a specific price from with a specific rank. I'm not very familiar with this, but you pay here also good money. Get 1 month for 0.15. Okay, it's much fairer than the this trade sniper tool, right? Or you can get it for 6 months for 0.5, right? So you need to pay for this, and then you get it, and you have just this subscription. Then there's another tool. Then you have some tools which are basically NFTs. For example, here, Cyber Babies. So they have also all this stuff which helping you to snipe things, right? And if we go to Cyber Babies, you need to buy an NFT. That's already a little bit better because you have one time this NFT, and then you can use it lifetime, right? Or another, but it's still very expensive. So you see, this kind of tools are expensive, unfortunately. And there's also a very high performing tool. It's called Razor Labs. And they work also with NFTs. So you can buy an NFT for 0.46, right? And then you still need to pay monthly, I think $200 or something. Or you can buy an NFT where you just hold this NFT and have lifetime this kind of NFT. And these are really high performing NFTs. They have a lot of options like auto trading bots where you say, okay, I want the rare ones. If the price go down, if the price will be less than this kind, less a specific number, and then I will immediately buy. Or you can tell them if somebody put their NFT below floor price, I want that the bot automatically immediately buy it, and then I can sell it for a little bit higher, make profit. So very very strong bots, right, for buying, but expensive. And now I won't show you because that's the main reason why I decided to make this video. Some really nice alpha where you can get this kind of stuff for less money, really cheap and really fair price. I found from another alpha group, this guy's here. Look at this, not side, Whale Together. It's an NFT. They are around right now. They have launched February, so this month, right? Whale Together right now. Floor price. What is the floor price? 0. The heck? What is it? 0.07, and approximately $200 floor price. So look, you have this kind of NFT. You buy it. You go to the Discord. You verify that you have this NFT, and then you have a tool. And let me show this tool. This is awesome. For this price, I mean, for a long time. Let me show. Bookmarks. No. Manage extension. So let me shut down this. So I have already this extension. Just if you buy the NFT, of course, then you have it right here. This extension. And let's reload Skeleton, guys, for example. And here you go. Look at this. I have here rank. So I see here the ranks. I have a buy now button. So instead all this bullshit which I need to go through to OpenSea, I can click buy now, and boom, immediately. That's how you snipe, right? Okay, not enough funds. I buy a little some NFTs today. What you have here also, what's awesome, and normally you need to pay really a lot of money for this, right? I pay just $200 for one NFT, and I can sell it also if I don't want it. So I will basically get my money back, and probably they will skyrocket because look at this 0.25. No, it's not the way together. Look at this. The price is 0.67, 0.7575, $200, right? And of course, they will skyrocket because people will understand. And yeah, and what you can do is also following, which is very important. You see this here, gas off. I have here the extension. I see here the gas prices. Base, priority, max, etc. And now I have gas off. And if I click this one, oh wait, okay, I need to click on this one, right? Gas preset. Then I click on gas preset, and then I click, and then what you can do, you can set up your gas fees. So you can basically set up them. Let's say max priority 100. So and max fee GUI, and then you click submit, and that's a pretty high gas fee. It makes sense if you know there's a project which has a really big hype right now, and you have a lot of big competition, right? And if you want sniper rare ones and you want to win the gas war, it makes sense immediately set up a high gas. So you don't need, after you click buy now, to go to MetaMask and click around and quickly increase the gas. You immediately increase it. Click buy now, boom, and you got it. That's how pros snipes. And I just bought this NFT today because I'm not one of these super whales. I have also not. I have also limit budget. But guys, for this price, it's a fucking no-brainer. I immediately bought this. I saw this today in some alpha group and immediately bought this, right? And what you have also here, look at this. And I'm not affiliate with this. Honestly, I'm just I just love it. So, and I want to bring just some nice content and helping you. Yes, that's why I show this. So I don't get any money from them, but I just fucking love it for this price. Look at this. You have Contract Ninja. So what does it mean? You connect your wallet, right? Let's connect this one. Right, standstill anyway. Right. You connect your wallet, connect. Oh, fuck. Wait, again, I just misclicked some things. Yeah. So you have your gas off, means that I don't have set up preset up gas. You put in here the contract number, right? Let's do here, for example. Wait a second. What is contract number? Details. So yeah. So you know. So this is like if you want mint some things directly with a direct contract to be ahead of your competition. Let's say a mine happens, right? And you know there are a lot of people who want to mine this. So a lot of people go to Etherscan and mine it directly. So you can YouTube how to make this. It makes you also a little bit faster. And with this kind of tool, you even don't need to do this. So you have here Contract Ninja, right? We put in like you put in the contract from some NFT, you click on load, and then you have all the stuff which you normally have on Etherscan, and then you can put in mind, and then you put in here. I forget a little bit how to do this, but you can YouTube this. I done this one time on Etherscan. I mined one thing, so you can type in how many. How many how many NFTs you want to mine and for what price, and you need to type in exact the price which is minted. I think it's like this one NFT, and let's here you type in 0.5, right? I think this is correct. Let's say one NFT costs 0.5 0.05, and let's see, this contract number is the number of the mint contract. Then you quickly put it all in, click submit, boom, and you mint it. And you make it much faster than otherwise, because if a lot of people land on the minting site, right, the site can crash basically, and if you don't know how to mint directly, then all the people who know how to do this will mint directly. And with this kind of tool, you can do this. So you have basically four really awesome things. You can see what kind of rank it is. You have this buy now, quick buy button. You have gas preset, and you have the contract ninja, where you can mint immediately. Right, so, and they will add other stuff like mass bidding and all the fancy stuff. I'm sure they will skyrocket. So this guy's here, not this guy's here, not this guy, so this guy's here. They will skyrocket. I mean, they are right now 0.07, $200. Please. You have similar programs which cost you $200 a week to use this stuff. And here you can buy an NFT and get it lifetime. Fucking no-brainer. If I accumulate, maybe I will buy 2-3 more of them and just hold them, just to sell them in few months, if they costs at least a half ETH, maybe 1 ETH. Yeah. So yeah, that's was it. I really hope this kind of videos gives you value. I really try my best. Give me feedback. Retweet this, right? Like it, whatever. Give me some love. Peace out. Bye bye.